We're here in Mr. Rattard's office, and let me tell ya, the lighting is immaculate. Immaculate. It's not an E, it's an I. Immaculate. Can y'all even see him back here? No, because the light is on me.
The light is on you, yeah.
It looks great. Hey, y'all. I have my nails done. Let me zoom in. Ooh, y'all see him? Do y'all see? And they could clearly see the detail. I've got my nails done. Okay, listen. So there are videos coming. I promise. There's a video coming. I've just been a little discombobulated because we moved. We moved. Let me tell y'all again. We moved!
Yeah, we moved, man.
We moved. So I now have an office to film in. So it's gonna be great. And I'm gonna get content out, I promise. I know I've been like slacking big time. Shout out to all the new subscribers. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the posse. It's your girl Jasmine. And yeah, I'm coming with videos. So matter of fact, this is what I need y'all to do. Please go in the comments down below and tell me what y'all want to see. What kind of videos do y'all want to see? What do y'all want to know about? What do y'all want to do? Excuse my hair. I got on a boat and stuff was going crazy, but I need y'all to get down in the comments and tell me what kind of videos y'all want to see, because I'm coming back, and I promise this time I'm here to stay. Okay, so it's Jasmine with the Pretty Lounge and the Pretty Papa Posse. It's not the Pretty Papa Posse no more. It's the Pretty Posse. Welcome to the Pretty Posse, a subsidiary of the Pretty Lounge, and we are here to make you pretty and poppin', honey. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see. Alright, I'll catch y'all next time.